Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. First of all, I am so sorry I haven't been vlogging in a very long time, I know. I have been actually moving countries and a lot has been going on. So yeah, I'm back in England finally, and today this vlog is all going to be about me exploring the city. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so whenever you go out in London, always check the weather. It's looking quite sunny today, so yeah, I don't need to carry my umbrella. So yeah, I'm relying on that. Let's go. So the best way to get around London is using the tube as the way to travel in London. Alright guys, so I've just reached the Warwick station and I know I haven't told you where I'm going. So yeah, I'm going to the Little Venice. It's a small town in London and it's similar to Venice, so I thought, yeah, it's a hidden gem in London and yeah, why not check it out? So let's go. So guys, Little Venice is actually a popular tourist destination in London, mainly because of its famous canals and narrowboat cruises which operate from the Little Venice and the Camden Lock. So if you are looking for a peaceful, relaxed weekend getaway or maybe just a day trip, you must come to the Little Venice. You can also check out the Canal Cafe Theatre and also the Puppet Theatre Barge. I mean, there are a lot of things which you can do. So yeah, it's a great place to chill with your friends and family. You can also come down here with the kids and enjoy a day out. September, there's a Little Venice music festival that happens every year. So if you're a music fan, you can also come down to enjoy some music. That is Guys, so the Little Venice is mainly just about canals, cruise boats, canoeing, waterside lunches and brunches and breakfast and whatever. So yeah, you can actually come here on a great date, bring your kids, bring your family. You know, there's a lot you can do here. It's mainly just peace and quiet. So you know, if you like someone who likes tranquility, you can always come here and enjoy the day. So yeah, I hope you guys like this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until then, bye.